Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Scratchy from The Simpsons, also featuring in Fortnite at the moment. I'm going to do a full body shot of the cat Scratchy. So let's go up to the top. I'm going to start off right up here. Just put a dot there, okay? What I'm going to do is that's going to be his ear on the left hand side, and I'm going to come down over to the right, that side, just curve it around there, okay? What I'm going to do then is just go up and down kind of 3 times. I'm going to do his hair in the middle. So I'm going to come up, down, curve, up, down, curve, down like that, okay? That's that midsection of the hair. Okay, next up, I'm going to go up this way. So what I'm going to do is mark a little point there. I'm going to do the inside of the ear on this side. So it's come down to the left. Nice little curve down. We've got those 2 curves of the ears coming in. Now, I'm going to start doing the side of his face. So I'm going to do a curve down on the left. I'm going to come down this way. Right down this way here like that. And on this side, it's like the opposite on this side. So I'm going to come down to the right, down to about here. Cool. Okay, next up, let's do little whiskers on the left and the right. So we've got 1, 2, 3 kind of whiskers. The first one kicks up over to the left a bit. So I'm going to continue this line here, and I'm going to come out, kick it up, down like that. Then I'm going to come out a bit more like an arrowhead. Just come out back. And finally, there's a smaller little arrowhead. Come out here, in, and bring it in to the neck area here. And on the right, I'm going to do a very similar thing. So what I'm going to do is come out first of all from this line, kick it up there, and come back in on itself. Then we're going to come out again. Just come out over here, back in there. And then finally what I'm going to do is just kick out with a final piece there. I'm going to come under, I'm going to curve it under a little bit here though. Curve it in and to a point here, so the neck area. So we've got that outline of the face done. I think now is probably a good time to put the nose in. So the nose is quite a triangular nose, very soft though. So if I go over to here, about this point here, curve it around down there. Then I'm going to meet in the middle, so I'm going to meet about here. I'm going to come downwards to a rounded point and back up and just join it all up into one there. Cool. Right, underneath this, there's almost like his tongue and like the inside of his lips are here. So I'm actually going to just put a line in the middle there. Then what I'm going to do is draw sort of like that cat kind of upper mouth area. It's going to curve around this way to about there. So come out from the edge here and we'll bring it out, curve it around, taper it up to there. And on this side, we'll come out from here, we'll go out this way here, curve it around, and bring it up there, okay? Let's pop his eyes in next. So he's got those sort of classic round Simpsons eyes, however, he's a little bit, the top, sort of slightly angry with his eyes. So what I'm gonna do is come up from the nose again. I'm gonna draw the right hand eye at the moment, so bring a line up here, then I'm going to go cut across like that, draw a little bit of a brow in there, then I'm going to come down this way, just a nice curve to this point here, in like that. On this side I'm going to come out about this point, just curve it up here like that, come outwards over this way. Again, a little sort of brow in there. Then I'm going to just draw a curve here, so probably from about this point, around like that, okay? And then let's put some pupils in. We've got one coming out this way. We've got one, yeah, around there. There we go. And we've got Scratchy's face coming together. We've got a tongue to go, so let's put the tongue in, coming around this way here. So from about here, this bit's the middle, so we're gonna go around like that there. And then he's got his little teeth, little fangs sticking out. So I've got one fang here, coming down this way here, back up, and one here, so coming down this way, back up like that. There we go. And that's the mouth area sorted. Now, what we're going to do is have his arms coming out on his hips, torso here, legs coming down this way. So what I'm going to do first of all is just draw this curve of the arm from the shoulder, coming down here and around this way to his gloves. So I'm going to come out here, nice curve around, nice and steady, curve it, elbows probably about there, curve it in. Now, right here, about there, yeah, about there is his underarm. What I'm going to do is come in this way now, curve it around. So, come down this way here, curve it in. And let's do the same on the other side, right? So I'm going to come out this way, curve out the outer arm and in there. So, from this point here, bring your pen out, nice curve. Coming out this way, elbow about there, bring it in. And then probably, let's say, about here, put a little dot there. That's his underarm, so I'm gonna come down this way here. I think on this side, I don't see as much of this curve, so I'm just gonna leave that a moment. And then let's go back to the right. Let's draw his gloved hand sort of on his hip. So I'm gonna start here, I'm gonna curve around this way here, sort of draw the cuff. So curve out here, around to the edge, around to that edge, and in there. Just join it up that point there. Then I'm gonna come in here, his thumb's probably about there, it comes in to the torso and around, kind of like that. 3 little lines, got those classic cartoon character gloves, yeah? So one in the middle, and then 1, 2. Over on this side, let's draw a nice curve. So it's almost like the cuff comes around this way. So maybe from about here, curve it around here, around here, around here, around here, like that. Then this side I'm going to draw his little thumb, just a little hint of a thumb there. On this side, it'll come out to the fingers, sort of creep it around here and maybe just up there. So you've got a little hint of a thumb. And again, got a line in the middle there and then one either side of that. There we go. Okay, next up, let's draw that torso. The torso comes around this way here. So I'm gonna draw it down here to the glove area. So I'm just gonna bring it down here, curve it out a bit into that glove. Same on this side. From the underarm, curve it out just there. And then what I'm gonna do is curve it in. The belly sort of comes around this way. So let's see, it probably comes around like that. And over here it comes down like that there. Now he does have a little sort of belly bit, which is lighter. So he's predominantly gray. We've got a nice little lighter gray white portion in the middle. Let's just get that in, right? So I'm gonna go from this area here. Let's go from that point. We're gonna curve around here. Just a nice curve around the upper part of his torso, down. We're gonna widen it out here as the belly gets a bit bigger on Scratchy. Bring it around, sort of be sympathetic with the size of the belly you've drawn, and we'll just join it up there. There we go, so we've got a nice sort of oval shape there. Little belly button right here, just a little circle. Then we're ready to do the legs, okay? Now, the legs come out this way and this way. So let's just mark a little line underneath there, and now we've got something to work to. So make sure it's like fairly even here. I'm going to come down this way here. So I'm going to come down fairly straight on this leg. Down, 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 down. Sort of curve it out at the end there. And on the side, we're going to come down, down, fairly straight to about there. Now let's draw his paws. So they're fairly straight on. I'm going to come out this way here, like that. I'm going to draw the middle sort of toe. Come out here and around there. And then I'm going to come out from that middle toe, around and up like that. Just join it up. There's a little hint of a tail here, so I'm just going to draw a little curve in there, just hidden behind him. Over this side, similar sort of thing on the left. So I'm going to go from the middle part here, just go from that point there, curve it in and down, 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 up there. And from this point here, slight little curve, but it goes fairly straight, down, 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 curve it out. Okay, next up, let's just get the feet in. Those little paws, comes out a bit more this side. So I'm going to come out from this curve. One toe there, another one, start a bit higher, two, and finally three, like that, and then we'll just go around to the heel, join it up like that. Okay, and there we have it. It's a nice one. There's Scratchy from Itchy and Scratchy from The Simpsons, also featuring as a Fortnite skin at the moment. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who else I can draw from the new season, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.